Okay, now today we'll discuss the reverse thing what we have been doing yesterday. That means given two traversals, how to make a tree. That means what we have done in the previous class, that I showed you how to do a traversal. Traversal was I had a tree and I can do traversals. But today we'll discuss that if you are given only the traversals, how to make a tree. Therefore, okay, how to generate a tree from traversal. Now this is little tricky topic. Therefore, try to understand it very well that how this can be done. Now let me take any two traversals. Now previously I will try to do the one which is little easier over here. That means one of the traversals which are given is a in order traversal and one can be any one. Then what I will do, I will be doing, the question is given like this. I am having in order traversal and I am having any order traversal, for example a pre-order. The traversals are given E. Okay. Now you are given two traversals, in order and pre-order, and from this you have to generate the binary tree. Now, in the question, there can be two types of questions where you will given in order with a pre-order or a post-order, or second, you are given a post-order with an in order. Okay, that means you are given one in order with a pre-order, or in order with a post-order. Those two are almost same. But the other type of problem where you are given only pre-order and post-order without an in-order, and that is little tricky. That means I am trying to do with the in-order with any one of them. It could be a pre-order or a post-order, and the solutions will be almost same. Now, you know that if I am going to do this, the root has to be found by using a pre-order. Now, if you are going to do this, you know it very well. What is the root of the tree? It is obviously F. Because you know that in the pre-order, the root will come first. Correct? That means I will draw the root as F. Now, what I will do is that I will check the pre-order, and from the in order I will try to find the left and the right. Now you find where is F is here. Therefore, these nodes will come on the left hand and the right hand side. That means on the left hand side you will have E, A, C and K. On the right hand side you will have H, B, E and G. On the left hand side you will have this. Why? Because if F is in the middle, all the nodes before that will be in the left of B and left of F, and all the nodes after F will be in the right of F. Why? Because you have a left, root and right. Now if f is root, all the nodes before that are in the left hand side. Now if I get this EACK, I cannot say which is the root over here. For that root, I have to check the pre-order. Now you check the pre-order, I get A. When I get A, it means that A is the root over here. A is the root over here. That means what I will do, I'll make this as the root and check the A over here. You find that E is in the left hand side, therefore E will come here. And on the right hand side, you will get both C and K. Because right of A is C and K, left of A is E. Therefore, E will come on the left hand side and right of this will come CK. Now, what you can do, you check the next node is E. Already it is covered, because E is already covered. Then you go to K. Now you find that K is the root. Therefore, in this case, what will happen? We will get that K is the root. And C can come either here or here. But if you see the in-order traversal, you find that C is the left of K. C is in the left of K. That means this is not possible. The only thing can be C can be only in the left of K. But in the in order, if it would have been K comma C, then C will come on the right hand side. Correct? Now you come to the right of F. You find that C is already covered. C is already covered. Now you find it's D. It means that here you will, out of this you will get D as the root. And you check D's here, it will come this side and BG will come this side. Now you check here, it is covered G is the root. Therefore, here G will become the root. Now G is become the root. Now here G is here and B the left of G. Therefore, B will come here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you go again, sir?
See, what I am going to do, I am finding the root from the pre-order and trying to find the placement of that node from the in-order. Now what I am going to do, you know that in the pre-order, the root becomes the first node. And therefore, here if you see, the first node is F, therefore F becomes the root. Fine? No problem? ठीक है ना? Now,
yes, sir, yes, sir.
You check the F in the in-order. You find that F is here. And all the nodes before F will be in the left-hand side. And all the nodes in the right of F will be in the right-hand side. Why? Because in-order में पहले होता left, root, right. तो अगर F root है, तो सारे nodes के पहले वाले जो left में होंगे उसके, और सारे node जो उसके बाद वाले हैं उसके right में होंगे. इसके मतलब EACK जो है वो लेफ्ट में होगा F के, तो यानी EACK है. But from there I cannot say कि which is there. But when I see the pre-order, I find that A is coming over here. Now when you are doing a pre-order for a subtree, अब इस subtree का देखो, ये subtree है तुम्हारी. इसका जो तुम्हारा pre-order होगा, सबसे पहले A आएगा. इसके मतलब A root बन जाएगा. क्योंकि ए एफ के बाद जो नेक्स्ट नोड आएगा वही तो होता है प्री-ऑर्डर. प्री-ऑर्डर में क्या होता है? प्री-ऑर्डर में होता है रूट, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. इसके मतलब कि पहले रूट अगर f है तो जस्ट नेक्स्ट नोड जो होगा वो a होगा, a आ गया, नहीं a रूट बन गया। अब तुम यहाँ a चेक करो, a के लेफ्ट में है e, तो a के लेफ्ट में e आ गया, और a के राइट में है ck, तो a के राइट में ck आ गया। बट ck जो है ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है। All of them are correct, but only one of them is correct. Now for that you have to check the in order. In order में देखो कि what you are finding is that C is in the left of K. C is in the left of K. इसके मतलब ये हुआ कि ये गलत है, now this is wrong, ये गलत है, ये गलत है, यही सही है, सॉरी ये गलत है, ये गलत है, ये गलत है। अब ये कैसे सही है? बिकॉज K पहले आ रहा है C से, इट मीन्स दैट K इज द रूट and C is either the left or the right. अब एक चीज समझ लो, अगर तुम्हारा C राइट हैंड साइड में होता K के, तो प्री ऑर्डर में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। जस्ट आई ट्राई टू शो यू, यू पुट a C over here and do a pre-order traversal. क्या होगा? F A E K C. Either C is the left of K or right of K. This is perfectly correct, isn't it? There will be no change. But in the in order, it will change. If it is the left of K, it will be CK. If it is in the right of K, it will be KC. Because in order में you will have the left root right. Therefore, this will tell you that whether C is the left of K or the right of K. Now, by this method, I am going to make the right of this. It means that this is not true. Now, similarly, come to the right hand side. You find that HDBG is the right hand side of F. But if you find over here that firstly D will come, it means D is the root. Root of what? That subtree. Then you find H is coming. And H is the right of D by this one. It means that H will be here. Then G is coming. Now G will become this. This will become the root. Root किसका? The subtree. इस subtree का. But B will come in the left of G. Why? Because of this. Therefore, B will come here. No, these are all subtrees. ये भी subtree है. This is a subtree. This is a subtree. And all these are subtrees. Once you come down, you will get a new tree, which is again a subtree, with its own root, own left and own right. And you keep on going like this. And you will end up in getting this one, which is the final tree. Any problem? Is it?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, now let me take a little difficult one. Okay. Now I'll take it from the book. Just a moment. Okay. I'm doing from the book, that is question Now the Shams is page number 7.91. Page number 7.91. Question number 7.32. Now let us do the other one. You are given a post order and you are given in order. Okay. Now this is a question, and let me solve this. If you understand this one, I can think that you have understood this concept, because this is a little tricky. Now you know that when we are going to do a post order, the last one becomes the root. Now in this case, you find that this is the last node, and A becomes the root. Now try to find in order the left of A and the right of A. And what you find that A is at the last. It means that all the nodes which are left of A are the left subtree of A. And there is no node in the right of A. This means that all these nodes will come here. Is it clear? All the nodes will come this side, because there is nothing over here. There is nothing over here. That means the tree is only having the left subtree. The tree is only having the left subtree. And by this method, what I am going to do is that in this one, I am going to see from right to left. I will keep on doing from right to left. Now you see, from here I get B. It means that B is the root. And now you check B here. That means this side you will have C, D, E, and this side you will have G, H, F, K, L, P, Q, M, N, J. All of them will come this side. This side you will have C, D, E. Why? Because B is के लेफ्ट में C, D, E है और राइट में G, H, F, K, L, P, Q, M, N, J. Then you again see F. It means F will become the root. Now it means that out of this, F will become the root. That means what I will do? What I will do is that I will make this as the root. I will make F as the root. And here I will check F. right of F is BG, left of F is BG, and the right of F will be K, L, P, Q, M, N, and J.
So GH.
Ah, sorry, H will also correct. Now you see J. That means out of this, J is the root. Then what I will do, I will just make this as the
B.
and then I will check J over here. There is nothing J in the J of right. That is all these values K, L, P, Q, M, N will all come in the left of J, and there is no right of J. Then you start K. Out of this, K becomes the root. Out of this, K becomes the root. That means what I will do, I will make K as a root. And you check K, there is nothing in the left of K, all will become in the right of K. Therefore, K can write with L, P, Q, M, N. ये सारे हैं ना.
सर एफ के लेफ्ट में बी नहीं आएगा.
F के
लेफ्ट में आपने BGH लिखा है तो बी तो ऑलरेडी ऊपर आ चुका है ना एक रूट.
अच्छा ठीक है, करेक्ट, यू आर करेक्ट. करेक्ट, बिकॉज बी आ चुका है. फाइन. नाउ यू फाइंड L. L इसका रूट बन गया. एंड दिस PQMN का देखो, PQMN इज हियर. इट मींस दैट L के राइट में आएगा PQMN, बिकॉज L के ये यहाँ आ रहा है. देन यू चेक M. इसमें से M बन गया रूट. और M के राइट में N और M के लेफ्ट में PQ. अब यहां चेक करो N तो हो चुका है, तो P, नो P. P इज इन द, इसमें रूट बन जाएगा P. देखो इन दैट केस नो P विल बिकम द रूट. अब यहां चेक करो P के राइट में Q. देखो P के राइट में Q. नाउ Q हो गया. नाउ कम टू G. इनमें से इसमें से G विल बिकम द रूट. तब क्या हुआ, हमने G को रूट बना दिया. And H in the right of G. H भी हो गया. Then out of these three, you get next is C. That means now C becomes the root. Now check C. D is in the right of, therefore D यहाँ आएगा. Because C, there is nothing left of C. Then you check D. From here, D will become the root. Now E is in the right of D. Therefore, it and this will now go. And that's all. It finished the question. Now this is a tree what you get. Now what you can do is that you traverse this tree. You must get the one which is given up. If you get that correctly, then it is fine. Otherwise, if you make some mistake, for example, if I write here, suppose if I one of the traversal will be correct. Which one will be correct? Tell me. If I put E on the left of D, which of these traversal will be correct?
Post order.
Post order.
Why? Correct,
Doesn't
post order.
matter in that.
Because post order left, right, it gives you left, right, and root.
Right root.
Always coming before root. Either if you write right, left, root, this is same because root is coming after left, right. Here also root is coming after right, left. Therefore, the post order will change if you make a mistake. But the in order will change. When you do an in order, in order, E will come before D. If you are doing for this. But you see, E is coming after D. It means that this is wrong. And E must be here only. Make you understand, what I can do is that I am going to write a simple tree. Now tell me, what is the post order traversal for this tree? Post order traversal for this tree. This CBA, correct? Yes. Now, what is the post order traversal for this tree?
Same, sir.
It means that same. It means that it doesn't make a difference either you put C on the left hand side or the right hand side. And therefore, with a single traversal, you cannot do this. If you get a single traversal, you can generate a lot of trees which are correct. Okay. Therefore, in this method, the placement of the node either the left or the right can only be known from either post order or in order is just going, sorry, from in order. The post order or the pre order is going to find the roots. Whereas the in order, now if you're going to do an in order for this, it will give you CBA. No, sorry, not in order. If you are going to do, suppose a post order, you just do it for letter 2. Correct, I was correct. It will give you CBA. But if I will put this one this side, the in order will be what? In order will be root, right, left. And you will see that these two are different. The in order will change, but I told you the post order did not change. That if I am getting this tree, what I am going to do, I am making this tree. And I am making this tree. You perform post order. Suppose this is the first tree and this is the second tree. For the first tree, the post order will be CB. For the second tree, the post order is again CBA. But you just take the in order. For the first tree, it is CBA. For the second tree, it is what? It is
BCA.
sorry, correct. BCA. Because root first. Now you see this one, these two are same, but these two are not same. Correct? Now with this concept, now I am moving on to a very important concept, that you are given, say, two traversals, one a pre-order and one a post-order. And you have to draw the tree. You are given a pre-order and a post-order, and then you have to draw a tree. Now, if I'll give you some questions to practice. Now, if you are going to get such a tree, this type of tree, what we get will not be unique. Will not be unique. That means you might be getting more than one tree whose pre-order and post-order will be correct, but those three will not be unique. Whereas with the pre-order and in order, or with post-order and in order, you always get a unique tree. But with a pre-order and a post-order, you might not get a unique tree. Okay? Therefore, when you are going to do this, will you get a unique tree? You should practice, and what you can do is that you make a tree like this, in tree like this. Perform the pre-order traversal. Perform the pre-order traversal, and then perform the post-order traversal, and then with that you try to draw the tree. You might not get the same tree, and then in that case, the tree, what there could be a tree which satisfies both of them correctly, but may not be unique. But may not be unique. Okay, it may not be unique. Now, if I draw a simple tree like this, the pre-order will be ABC. The post-order will be CBA. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes. Now, I will draw this tree. What is pre-order for this? What is the post order for this?
CBA.
It is.
CBA.
Now you compare these two. Compare these two. Both are same. ABC, ABC, CBA, CBA. But did you get a unique tree? No. It means this is also correct. It's also correct. You are getting the same traversal, but the shape of the tree is not unique. It means that will you get a unique tree? The question, the answer for this question is no. You will not get you. Unique means the placement of nodes are same in both the one. Here C is in the left of B, Here C is the right of B, but therefore it's not unique. And therefore, the question is, how will you draw? You have to draw by a method of trial and error. You make a tree, try to check both the traversals. Is it correct? If it is correct, then that tree is correct. Otherwise, if it is not correct, you modify that and try to check that both the traversals should be correct. Are you getting the point? Now, if I draw, suppose if I draw like this, then if I do a traversal, I get ACB, pre-order. No, that is not correct. That means the pre-order traversal is not correct. Then what I will do? I will change this, say B, and then C. Then I do ABC. Now it is correct. Now I will again do a post order. Again CBA is true. Now this is true, is correct. Therefore, because if you see from the left and the right, from in order, from pre and the post order, you will not know where is the root, which is the left of root, which is right of root. Because post order and pre order does not give you the information about the left of that node or the right of that node. Correct? Now this is the concept. You have to practice some questions on this. You can see the book of Shamsis, the page number I told you 7.91. What you can do is that you take one pre-order and one post-order and try to draw the tree from there. Now when you are going to do this, you will end up in getting a tree where both the traversal will satisfy but will not be unique. Got it?
Sir,
Okay.
sir, can you send us the photo of that page?
Okay, fine. I'll just upload. I'll just upload right now. And what you can do is that okay, I uploaded. Now you take this question, then I've already uploaded in your on your group. Then what you can do is that you take only the pre-order and the post-order and try to generate the tree. Now this is a little big problem, therefore this will take a lot of time. You might take a smaller one, and what you do is that you make a tree, any small tree like this, and do a pre-order and a post-order, and then rub the tree and try to make it. इसका pre-order क्या होगा? A, B, D, E, G, C and D. What is the post-order? Post-order will be D. Correct? D, G, E, B, F, C, A. Correct? सही है ना? Just verify.
यस सर सही है.
बस अब क्या करो, इसको मिटा दो. अब इसको मिटा दो. अब ड्रॉ करो. You will get two trees with the same concept. You'll get two trees. You may get two or more than two trees where both this traversal will be satisfied, but that will be not unique. It is not always that you will get a unique. You will not get a unique tree. You might get sometimes. You might get a unique tree also. Okay, you might get a unique tree. Batao, why I say this? Question is, can you give a tree in which the pre-order and the post-order will give a unique tree? ये तो हमने यहाँ नो तो लिख दिया था, but this is not always true. Most of the time it is true. Most of the time. Complete vanity. Is it so? Just a moment, let me check for you, Vital. Now let us try to do the pre-order. Correct? Okay. Now you see, this is same. But for a post order, this will not be same. Therefore, for CBA and DCA, this will not be having, it's not the same traversal. Now this will, in that case, if you are having a complete binary tree, you will not be able to get a traversal in this case. That means now this is a complete binary tree. Other than that, is it possible? It is also possible in one more case. Okay. Now stop at this moment, and then we'll continue with the other concepts in the next class.